Next, Destined Rivals. Unang Destined Rivals of this channel. Baka kailangan nyo rin. Hindi ko kailangan yan. Hindi ako naglalaro ng energy. Let's go. Let's go. Meron kaya tayong makukuha ngayon? Or ibabato ko na lang lahat sa kawalan? Next, and nag-greet na tayo ni Griden. Second pack, Mewtwo. Sana makuha natin si Mewtwo dito. Or any of the big 3 hits. Grabe ang ating panalangin. Tayo niyang bumukas, guys. Ayan. Let's go. Nakita nyo na, Lift Energy. Reverse Holo. Wow! We got one hit. Electric, Illustration Rare. Unang hit natin, second. Okay. Sino isa? First hit. Third pack. Again. QR code. Sa inyo na yan. Paunahan na lang. Sino na makakuha. Energy. And wala ulit. Articuno. Last pack Magic. Tignan natin. Ano pa na tayo? Electric pad. Electric Illustration Rare. Ayan. Let's go. Last pack Magic. Psychic. Okay. Wow! And we have Persian EX. So 2 pulls tayo. 2 pulls, Electric, Persian EX. Not bad for our first try sa Destined Rivals for this year. So if you like this content, make sure to follow, to comment kung ano yung mga suggestions niyo and other content related. So thank you for watching. Collective base, kung hindi na kayo makahanap ng cards, kasi hindi na ako makahanap ng cards sa Cavite, sobrang hirap talaga. So collective base, Cup 7 by the way, Electric, Persian. Thank you.